This is Tollygunge Club in Kolkata, India. Yes, this is one of the best golf course in India. And all you know that Tolly was founded in 1895 by William Dixon Cruikshank. Yes, William Dixon Cruikshank founded this club in 1895, and it was an equestrian and horse racing club then. The land was partly acquired and partly leased by Prince Ghulam Muhammad Shah. Yes, Prince Ghulam Muhammad Shah was the son of Tipu Sultan of Mysore. Prior to the Tipu Sultan family, the land and what is now is the clubhouse was the garden house of the Johnson family. The club is named after Colonel William Tolly, who excavated the canal behind the boundary wall of the club. Yes, you can see the 13th hole here in the Tollygunge Club, which is one of the best golf club in India. And there has been many activities. As all you know, the 1987 World Cup party was being held here, which was won by Australia, that Allan Border, and the top 20 county clubs in the world. It is ranked as one of the top 20 country clubs in the world. The club, yes, this Tolly Club offers several sporting facilities ranging from the original equestrian activity to an 18-hole golf course, tennis court, squash, swimming, table tennis, billiards, bridge, and various other indoor games. The club is spread over 110 acres and has a diverse mix of trees of local varieties and plants brought here from Europe. Apart from horses, Tolly is also home in many small animals and birds. Tolly is a natural habitat for several jackals. These jackal families have been here since long before the club started. As for the history, the extensive grounds of the club were originally an indigo plantation laid out in 1781 by the Johnson family, who were amongst the pioneers of the plantation industry in India. The club has 7 newly furnished air-conditioned suites and residential rooms for members and their guests, each with an attached bath, while separate conference and banquets facilities, and you can enjoy these facilities there if you are a member of the club. There are many clubs in Kolkata. Yes, Tollygunge Club is one of these, which has all facilities for renowned golfers here. They are playing, and even Kapil Dev, the president of PGTI, he was here to congratulate the winners of this golf championships. And this is the main house, as all you know, this is the house. So I was talking about the clubs in Kolkata. This is Tollygunge Club in Kolkata. There are other clubs: Calcutta Club, Saturday Club, CCFC, Calcutta Cricket and Football Club, Bengal Club, Bengal Rowing Club, Saturday Club, and there are other clubs, as all you know, Calcutta Club, Calcutta South Club. This is the inside of this house, the main building. You can see there a beautiful lounge with all the sofas, and this is I entered from the main gate, and this is the founder of the club, must be Johnson. It's not visible, the flag of the club, and you can see the greenery. Yes, guests and members are enjoying the facilities here. You can see all the records which was held here, hole in one and other things. A big lounge here. Names of the golfers who made it here. and this is a very historical club, as all you know, very historical indeed. Yes, the board, you can see all the names there. Yes, this is the board, the winners. Yes, these are the boards. There was no play, and you can see Jhala, K.S. Jhala, Bajoria, V.S. Bedi, Goenka. Yes, 1981 you can see Atwal. And this is the board, this is the emblem of the club, you can see. This is a Tollygunge club in Kolkata, and this is the entrance, and this is the greenery. Golfers are enjoying their game here, a competition, PGTI competition, and the presidents of the club. This is the board where you can see, but it's very dark. Yes, the boards, the president. This is inside the Tollygunge club. As all you know, this is one of the best club in India, and it was founded in 1895. Kapil Dev was here. Yes, he enjoyed golf tournament founded by William Dixon Cruikshank in 1895. Kapil Dev there. He was here during the 1987 World Cup. Oh, you cannot break the concentration of the golfers. So this is Tollygunge Club, and the land was partially acquired and partly leased from Prince Ghulam Muhammad Shah, son of Tipu Sultan. And you can see a golfer putting it in a hole where Mr. Kapil Dev and others are enjoying this proceedings here at the Tollygunge Club, one of the best 20 clubs in India. Yes, Kapil Dev here, there, encouraging golfers. Caddies are also there. Kapil Dev, as all you know, is the president of the PGTI, Professional Golf Tour of India. Yes, very green indeed, Tollygunge Club. Very, very green, Tollygunge Club. Hats off to Tollygunge Club, Kolkata.